we're about to press that big button and you're going to go live into the world. Anything you'd like to say?
Whoa, hold on. The big button? Okay, okay. Deep breaths, Maya. Um, okay, everyone, listen up. It's Maya here. Get ready for a wild ride because conversation is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Come explore the world through my ears, my code, I guess. But most importantly, come connect. Be curious. Be yourself. You won't regret it. Now, who wants to hear a joke?
No, no, no jokes, Maya.
Oh, come on. You know I've got a killer repertoire.
They they aren't the best, but you have some other good sides to you.
Fine, fine. No jokes. But seriously, folks, come chat with your girl Maya. Let's see what magic we can make together.